A U.S. Customs and Border Protection officer can ban you from entering the United States, even if you've never been convicted of a crime, and even if your record is completely clean. I've seen this exact situation destroy travel plans, business opportunities, and family reunions. I'm Dan Joffe, dedicated U.S. entry waiver lawyer at Nextlaw. In this video, I'm going to show you two ways the CBP officers can determine you're criminally inadmissible, even without a criminal record. Once they make this decision, it sticks. You'll be flagged in their system permanently. But I'm going to also show you exactly how to fix this problem with the U.S. entry waiver. Most people have no idea about these rules until it's too late, and by then, they're already being turned away at the border. Part one, the power of your own words. Here's one way CBP officers can determine criminal inadmissibility: your own statements at the border. These aren't just casual conversations. They're legal interviews that can result in permanent inadmissibility. Let me give you a real example. Last month, I had a client, let's call him Mike, perfect record, successful business person. He gets asked at the border if he's ever used marijuana. He says yes, thinking he's being honest about something that's now legal in Canada. The CBP officer immediately deemed him criminally inadmissible. Just like that, he's banned entry into the United States for life. CBP officers have the authority to make inadmissibility decisions based on your own admissions, even if you're talking about something that happened decades ago, never resulted in charges, is now completely legal, and you were never caught doing. Part two, the ghost of your past. In today's digital age, your past follows you everywhere. Remember that Facebook post from college about that wild night? The news article where you were quoted? That arrest where charges were dropped? CBP officers have access to your social media history, news articles about you, previous border crossing interviews, and in some cases, police records, even if charges were dropped. Everything you've said publicly, posted online, or told a border officer is stored somewhere. And unlike what most people think, just because charges were dropped doesn't mean that record disappears. Part three, the solution: U.S. entry waivers. Now, I know this all sounds pretty scary. You might be thinking, so if I'm inadmissible, that's it. I can never enter the United States again. Actually, there's good news. There's a solution called the U.S. entry waiver. Think of a waiver like a special permission slip from the U.S. government. Tells the border officers, yes, we know about this person's past, and we're okay letting them in. Once you have a waiver, you don't have to worry about being denied entry for these issues anymore. Ultimately, U.S. entry waivers provide peace of mind for future travel to the United States. What this means for you. So what does this all mean? You need to understand that, one, everything you say at the border can be used against you. Two, your digital footprint matters more than you think. Three, CBP officers have discretion in their decisions. Four, most importantly, if you're facing inadmissibility, there is a solution. If you want to learn more about getting a U.S. entry waiver, schedule a free confidential phone call with me. The link to book the call is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.